Some plants just refuse to give up.
The ZZ plant, or Zamioculca zamifolia, is one of them.
It comes from tropical Africa and can handle drought, shade, and even neglect. With its glossy green leaves, it's become a favorite in modern home decor. Let's take a look at the simple secrets behind keeping this tough beauty healthy.
ZZ plants don't need much water. That's what makes them so easy to care for. In general, watering once every 2 to 3 weeks is enough. During the summer months, you can water a bit more often, about every 10 to 14 days. In winter, the plant rests, so watering once a month is usually plenty. Always check the soil before watering. If the top few centimeters, about an inch, feel completely dry, it's time to water. Pour water until it drains from the bottom of the pot. Then wait for the soil to dry out again before the next watering. The ZZ plant rewards patience, but too much water is its biggest enemy.
The ZZ plant can live almost anywhere. It does well in low light or bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid direct sun, it can scorch the leaves. It thrives in temperatures between 18 and 26 degrees Celsius, or around 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Humidity is not a problem either. It easily adapts to dry indoor air. This plant loves well-draining soil. A cactus or succulent mix works perfectly. Make sure your pot has drainage holes so excess water can escape. Without that, the roots may rot. Repot every 2 to 3 years to refresh the soil and give the roots space to grow. ZZ plants grow slowly, but they can be multiplied.
Here's how you can easily propagate your ZZ plant using its leaves. Let's take a look. First, carefully separate the leaves one by one. Let them root in a small tray or container. Several months later. Once they have started to grow, you can plant them individually or group a few together in the same pot if you like. It takes patience, but soon you'll have new ZZ plants growing strong. The ZZ plant may be easy to care for, but it's not pet-friendly. Its leaves contain substances that can cause irritation if cats or dogs chew on them. If you share your home with pets, it's best to keep the plant out of their reach to ensure everyone stays safe and healthy.
The ZZ plant is elegant and low maintenance. Even with a busy lifestyle, it's easy to keep happy. Once it settles in, it stays with you for years. If you are looking for a stylish, easy care plant for your home, the ZZ plant is the perfect choice.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next one.